Okay, so we're going to get started. It's late, and let me see here. Let me share my screen. So today, what we're going to be looking at is in-text citations, and basically, if you have one author, then it's just the classic last name, page number, so the book, and then if you have two, you'll list them like by the last name. In the same order they're listed. It's not alphabetical order, even though it may appear here in the page number. If you have three or more, then it's the ET space AL period, and then the page number. So quotes, it says here's a direct quote. Just simply place it in there. The one thing it's not showing you here is that a quote cannot stand alone as a sentence. And so you would need a subject and verb, and then, or sometimes you can tag it onto the sentence before with a colon or a comma, and then you'll have your direct quote. And then so just remember that. So this is the author and the page number, and this is like the article and the page number. And so just remember that the period goes outside the quotation marks. Paraphrasing, if you need to paraphrase something, that means that it's going to be about the same length. And you just put it in your own words, no quotation marks, and then you'll have the last name of the author and the page number. Here's the article title and the page number and then let's see here. Next, there's not an author like Beowulf, then you just exclude it, and then the page number's there, and it says here that if the title in the works cited list is in quotation marks, put quotation marks around the words from the title. And then if there's no page numbers, here's the last name of the author. You just don't put it. And same way, if there's not an author, it'll look like that if it's the title. And works quoted by another source. If you were to have that happen, then after it, you would have quoted in, and then that information. So just remember that there's anytime you can go look at a website, you can ask me if you're unsure how to do the in-text citation. And then let's look at a few more here. Repeated use of source, then you just use the page number after that. In-text citation for more than one source. So that's how you do that. It says if you would like to cite more than one source within the same in-text citation, simply record the in-text citation as normal and separate with the semicolon. So it would go in the same order as they're listed in the sentence. And then it says note the sources within the in-text citation do not need to be in alphabetical order for MLA style. If you have a long quotation, then you need to tab over. It says there's 4 different rules for it. The first one, to place a comma at the end of the line that you write to introduce your long quotation. And if I said comma, I meant colon. And then the second one is to indent the long quotation. It says half an inch from the rest of the text, so it looks like a block. And here's an example. Do not put quotation marks around it. And then at the end, you place the period here instead of here. And then the information for the in-text citation here, you have the author's last name, the year, and the page number. So if you have any questions, just let me know. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye.